Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and here on a slightly overcast but becoming sunnier Hong Kong morning, and I'm here to share with you guys my unboxing of the phone that I don't know if you've been waiting for, but I've been waiting on this phone for a very long time. It is none other than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we're ready to unbox it here on Frankie Tech. Oh man, I'm so excited, guys. This has been a long time coming. And if you guys knew or followed my channel, you would know that I'm a huge Max user of the iPhone. It has filmed a lot of the videos on this channel, a lot of street tech videos, and now I have it here, the 12 Pro Max, to share with you guys. Now, which is the version that I got? I got the 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue, 256 gigs of storage, and I got it in this gorgeous color that I can't wait to unbox. I haven't even seen it in the store. I did play with a few other iPhones, but I also got the silicone case and the mini as well, which was, oh my gosh, what a tiny device. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy right now. Tearing off the plastic. Oh yeah, there we go. Should be a very basic unboxing here of this iPhone 12 Pro Max, lifting the lid, and there it is. Oh yes, you are mine. You are mine. Oh guys, I'm super happy to have this 12 Pro Max in my possession. It's been a couple of weeks since I sold my 11 Pro Max, and now I have its replacement right here. Let's put that aside real quick and show you what else is inside the box. We have the USB-C to Lightning connector, and the same basic unboxing here of this 12 Pro Max. SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and the Apple sticker. There it is. So that is pretty much it. And let's go ahead while we're waiting and unbox this. There you see it, the silicone case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Simple as that. It's a very basic unboxing here. And now let's move this stuff aside and let's actually play around with this device. Gonna turn it on, see if we can see the Apple logo through the paper. We cannot, so let's go ahead and tear this off now. Oh man, this is so awesome because the 12 Pro Max is the largest display of any iPhone on the market, now 5.7 inch. And this phone is huge. This phone is absolutely huge. I did not expect, even after having used phones like the 11 Pro Max for a bit of time, I did not expect this phone to be this big and to be this, I guess, squared off. It has a completely different feel than the typical iPhone does. So here it is, the 12 Pro Max fully unboxed, and let's just quickly go down the laundry list here. Design, 226 grams, 7.4 millimeters. It is a pretty svelte device, but it actually feels a lot more, I guess, substantial because of these kind of flattened edges. I definitely get a very different vibe from this phone than the 11 Pro Max. But obviously the display is the stunning aspect here. 6.7 inch OLED display, still 60 hertz, but it looks stunning, guys. And yes, there's a notch, but I'll tell you what, it looks a lot smaller on this 12 Pro Max than it has ever looked on any other iPhone. Talking about performance, obviously the Apple A14 Bionic, which should be a beast. We've already seen it, how it performs on the iPhone 12, and it should be no different here. But the 12 Pro Max does have 6 gigs of RAM. In terms of audio, dual speaker experience here on this 12 Pro Max. It should be really one of the best audio experiences, just like my 11 Pro Max was for the entire year of use. And let's do it, guys, the Frankie Tech camera shot. Let's take a shot here of the trees. And by the way, this is not a street I'm on, this is a ledge. So for all you guys who thought I was filming on the street last time, there you go. Quality looks really good. Gonna have to really test this camera out and see how good of a camera it really is. It's definitely going to be one of the top performing cameras, I think, of 2020. So look out for the full camera comparison and the full comparisons between this 12 Pro Max and phones like the Mi 10T Pro. The Mi 10 Ultra, I think, is the big one I want to compare this to. Xiaomi's most expensive flagship versus Apple's most expensive flagship. And of course, stay tuned for the full review of this 12 Pro Max as well. But that's it for this one, guys. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Gonna leave you now with this gorgeous midnight blue back on this 12 Pro Max. It is truly stunning. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing and first look of the iPhone 12 Pro Max here on Frankie Tech. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. This video shot on the Pixel 5.